So I've got a pretty cool product for a brand new, well, a Juniper Model Y. It is turn signals on the side mirrors. So now they flash, which is really cool. Flash with this. This flashes, just adds a little bit extra. This is flashing. So right here, there is a new product from Hansshow. We actually have them right here. This is the new light, or the new mirror. There's a light right in here, and this is a black cap. Now it's going to look like the Performance Model Y, because the new Performance Model Y has black caps. Doesn't matter what color you have on the side, but it is a full replacement for this mirror cap. So what we're going to do is pop this off. You're going to run, well, there's directions on all this stuff, but you run a piece underneath here, it pops the clips. You can see what the clips look like on this one, so that gives you your guide on how to take this off. And then you run this one wire through this all the way into here. You're going to run that down into here, snake through here into here, and then you put the then you hook up all the wires. So this is what your mirror looks like on the passenger side anyway. So it's going to feed right through along this channel, and then inside here I'm going to drop down through there, run it through here into this hole. I almost dropped it, but then that's how it goes into the car. You do have to take the door panel off, and if you're afraid to do this part, then you need to hire someone to do this whole process. But the hardest part is going to be fishing through there. Again, not the easiest thing, but not the hardest thing either. But again, Hansshow, use my code I1Tesla, saves you a bunch of money. But it looks intimidating, and it probably is intimidating by watching this video, but shouldn't be super hard. Although I'm not doing it, Andrew's doing it for me. And then we also have another product from Hansshow that is going to go back here. The cover for here, or a replacement cover that mimics this light. That just gets hooked up to the tail lights, running some more wires, and we'll show you what this looks like when it's done. PPF. Was it hard?
No.
No.
Step-by-step instructions, paused it, finished the spot, continue on. I had an hour, and I was moving very slow, methodical.
So 2 hours, someone in the driveway could do it?
Yeah. A T25, a 10mm ratchet, and you're pretty good to go.
How were the instructions? Or the video?
The video is great. You couldn't get much more detailed. I think anybody could do this if they just take their time and listen.
So I watched him, he paused the video, did some steps, watched the video, paused it, so anybody could do this. So next step is going to be see what these things look like. All right, it's the next morning. I actually charged it for him overnight. He's going to be here to pick it up in probably about an hour. But let me go over everything that we did to this thing, because this is the couple times it's been here. We actually did PPF down the side, which is called the track pack. It's all the way down the side. We did a front end PPF, so this is Expel PPF. Plus we ceramic coated this. It's dirty, but we did this before. We just put these mirrors on, and I'm going to show you what those look like. We also, in the back here, we put that light, and I'm going to show you again what that looks like. They look really cool. We also did back here, there's a little refrigerator. This is really cool. I have some footage of it from back in here. He's got some Red Bulls in here, but perfect spot for that. Underneath this, stays cool, really nice, sleek. You can still sit there if you want to, but let me take it out of service mode. And now, oops. Oh, duh. I got out, so it kind of shut off a little bit. Let's do this. Turn signal. So now they flash, which is really cool. Flash with this. This flashes, just adds a little bit extra. This is flashing. I believe this, I'd have to look on the directions. There's a little light here. I think that's for your blind spot monitor. And I can't do that without driving. So go to lights, on. That's gonna beep inside because there's not auto, but that's what that looks like. And then when you hit the brake, both of them will turn on brighter. All right. Let me unplug this because it won't want to do anything. I think that's pretty cool. So it's always fun to have extra things on your car that make it unique to you. Yes, this doesn't look much different on the outside because it's the gray and we did clear PPF on it, but you can't go wrong with, first of all, PPF. It's not that expensive. It's only $1,650 for the front end. The light, it wasn't that much money. Use my code I1Tesla to save a ton of money on everything on Hanshow's website. You can save a ton of money on that. The refrigerator, the side mirrors. One little note, when we were putting this in, I had the car in service mode and it didn't like those mirrors working in service mode. Once we took it out of service mode, they started to work. Don't know why, it just might be something with Tesla, not a big deal, but I think it's really cool. Save some money, order some stuff today. And if you're worried about installing this stuff, there's plenty of places all over the country that can install it, or you can come to me and we can install some parts here. Use code I1Tesla, save yourself tons of money. Go to Hanshow's website, and that sounds like a commercial. They did send some of this stuff for free for the video. The turn signal mirrors and the refrigerator was free. The other stuff the customer bought, and we installed it for them. So save some money today. Enjoy your car. As always, stay awesome, stay positive. I gotta get back to work because I'm freaking busy.